everyone, I'm Mansi and welcome back to my channel. So I make food, travel and lifestyle videos. This video is gonna be travel video. So we are going to Lake George for 4 days. Today is Thursday and we are coming back on Sunday. So yeah, we stopped by Tim's. We are getting something and yeah, I'll take you guys with me for rest of the journey. Let's go. Our vlogger for 4 days.
First exit onto the US 202 North, US 206 North Bridge.
So we got here by our Airbnb. We are not.
Then turn left onto Main Street.
We are not checking in until 4 p.m. What time is it right now?
12.
So it's around 11:30 right now. So we are gonna, our Airbnb is around like 15 minutes away from Lake George. So right now we are gonna go to Shepherd's Park Beach, and then we are gonna go to Lagoon to eat something, and we are gonna roam around somewhere around Lake George. So yeah, that's the plan for now. And evening we have some okay, Hodi? Cruise. At evening we are gonna go to sunset cruise, but it's showing that it's gonna rain, so we are not 100% sure what's gonna happen. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Let's go. So we parked here. They're paying. I've been here before, but I used to not vlog back then. Like I came here in 2019. So yeah, it's good to be back. I loved here, so I bring my friends here. I'm gonna make you guys meet my friends. Vivek, say hi. Barkha. We have 2 more people. Heli, say hi. Hello. That's Heli, and that's Bhumi. So we roamed around here, around the Lake George area for a bit. Now we are going to the lagoons to have some pizza. I'm excited. It got like lake view. Good. So we are done eating. We're now just walking around. The food was good. It was on little high and pricey. Vivek didn't like the sandwich, right? A lot.
Yeah, fine, wasn't good.
Yeah, the pizza was really good. Now we are just roaming around. We went to this store called Phases and Vivek bought everyone 1 pair of earrings from there.
क्या जवाना था
ये बाजू वाली बिल्डिंग में
इंग्लिश और हिंदी
English?
आता मी काय म्हणते Oh, you still recording?
Yeah.
It's called the Lake George History Association Boathouse or something,
Where is it?
which is right next
Look, can you see from the 1800s?
like 100 steps away. We don't know if it's open or closed or free or whatever. We don't know. We're gonna go and be like, knock knock.
So we roamed around in the shops here. We shopped a little bit, and now we are going finally to the, what is it called?
The courthouse.
The courthouse. It was closed. It was gonna open at 3 o'clock, so we are going now. કેટલો વજન વાળો છે રે આ દરવાજો. So we got out from the courthouse, and the lady over there,
Yeah,
she was
super
so
nice.
and also she was very like smart, like she
Informative.
remembered everything whatever's in the
Yeah.
museum. So yeah, it was pretty informative. So yeah, she got us this little pin for, they had little contest kind of thing, so she gave it this as a gift. And yeah, now we are going back, not going back, now we are going to our Airbnb, and at evening we have the sunset cruise, and we just got to know that there's also fireworks that's gonna happen tonight. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy today. So I'm gonna give you guys the Airbnb tour. Let's go. This is what you see when you enter. There is like a nice coffee sitting area here, and there is living room, and this part is super cute, very colorful. And here we have a small cute kitchen. That part is also super cute. So we are gonna probably make some food here, Maggie. So we have fridge here, which literally has nothing.
That's baking soda.
And here we have one of the rooms. It's pretty nice, like the color. It's a little hard though. But check. And we have one bathroom here, and some laundry area, I think. No. Some closet over there, Wi-Fi settings and stuff. Let's go upstairs. A nice painting. A little closet here, which just has vacuum. And a nice to take pictures mirror. And that's one of the room. One bed, two bed. And I picked this room. Looks nice, cute. But this storage area is also nice. And yeah, that's it. This is closet.
We were a little hungry, so we started on snacking.
The chai addicts are making some chai.
Look at this.
It's around 7 o'clock and we are all ready. We all got dressed up. Now we are heading to the sunset view. Hilarious, it started raining so heavily.
So we asked our sunset cruise company to reschedule our cruise for the next day, and we went for bowling instead. But we were all overdressed for the bowling.
So we have come here to Sahara Gyro kehવાય ને? And we have ordered like falafel platter. We got something for him. All the people got falafel platter. And I think there is gonna be fireworks around 9:30, but they said like since it rained, it's not like they are not sure if it's gonna happen or not. So we'll see if the fireworks happening. It will happen somewhere around here. So oh, cruise માંથી છોડે. The firework cruise. Yeah. We came home and we are just eating the food. I'm not very hungry. Bhook mari gayi. So I'm just gonna have like a bite or two. And then we are gonna all go to sleep. We are all very tired. And we have to wake up early tomorrow. So that was it for the day 1. We are early morning waking up tomorrow for the parasailing. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Kuija bata.